Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm by the name Elizabeth Achim. Today I'm going to present the introduction to a computer. A computer is an electronic device that accepts users' input, processes it under a special instruction to produce a meaningful output. For the first-time users, we're going to learn on how to start a computer. We're also going to learn on how to shut down a computer. If you want to start a computer, there are two different ways of starting a computer. You can either warm boot or cold boot. Warm booting is the process of starting a computer when the computer is on, while cold booting is the process of starting a computer when the computer is off. So we are going to start by cold booting, that is opening the computer or starting the computer when it's fully off. So for you to start the computer for the first time learners, you have to know what is called a keyboard. This is what is called a keyboard. In the keyboard we have something called the start bar. The start bar is on the keyboard. So it looks like this. It looks like this one. This is what is called a start bar. Is found on the keyboard. You press it for 1 to 2 seconds. After pressing, your computer will open. When your computer has opened, you have to log in. When you log in your computer, you'll go to a desktop. And if you don't have the password, just go straight away to the desktop, which is this one you're seeing. The desktop consists of very many things. For example, we have the icons. These are what we call the icons. And then we also have shortcut menus. These shortcut menus prevents you from looking for help through long procedures. You just go straight to the file or the app you're looking for. And then we also have folders. These are folders. You have folders also on the desktop. We also have the taskbar on the desktop. The taskbar contains very many things. For example, we have time, we have date and year. We also have volume. If you want to increase your volume, you also come to the taskbar. You can see this is how to increase your volume using the taskbar. And then if you're looking for Wi-Fi, it's also here. And then when you want to check for your battery, your percentage, you come to this taskbar again. For example, you click on here, you click on your battery, you see your battery and its percentage. And then this is also weather changes. It also tells you the weather of the day. That is about the taskbar. It also has the software. This software. This is Microsoft Store. It helps in installing apps. Then we also have the start window. The start window also helps in very many things, and they also found in the taskbar. That is how to start a computer when the computer is fully off. Now we are going to learn on how to open a computer when the computer is on, and that is called warm booting. So for you to warm boot, you look for the start window. For the start window, computer with the window 10 is at the corner, and then for a computer with the window 11, it can be in the middle around here. So now we are going to warm boot our computer. You come to the start window, you press on it. When you press on your start window, you look for the option power. Then you click on power. When you click on power, there will be other drop-down menus. Then you click on restart. When you click on restart, your computer will restart itself. And then that is what is called warm booting. You also want to know how to shut down a computer for people who are first-time users. So you don't just come to the keyboard and you press on that task on the start bar. Just don't press on that. That is the wrong way of shutting a computer. You come back again to your window. You start window here. You click on that start window. When you click on the start window, you look for the option start power. Then you click on that. When you click on option power, you find other options also in it. And then for example, this option shutdown. Then you click on the option for the shutdown. When you click on that option for shutdown, your computer will automatically shut down, and that's the right way of shutting down a computer. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Hi, next time we meet.